And a good Saturday. Here's what's going on weather-wise today. A little bit warmer, a little cloudier, a little wetter across our region. We will have to deal with some rainfall across northwest Florida. Temperatures climbing up into the mid-60s probably early in the day, and then we'll see a front move through, and that will gradually cool us off through the rest of the day. So there will be a period that it actually gets kind of chilly by 6 o'clock down into the 50s. And you'll see what happens as we have that front that's going to be passing through our area. And the timing of that will be critical. Southerly winds, warmer air, northerly winds, colder air. So once the front comes through, that colder air begins to filter in, and we'll keep that northerly wind. That'll be critical tonight into tomorrow and Monday. First to bring us maybe some wintry weather, but also on Monday, some really cold weather. Maybe a little bit warmer than what we saw Friday morning, but it's going to be still really cold on Monday morning. I do see a warm up for those who want warmer weather by the end of next week, but you see definitely northerly winds through Sunday and Monday. So again, as far as the rainfall, it's very light rainfall, light to moderate showers across our area, but enough that definitely keep the umbrellas handy. As we move through the evening hours, again, front comes through, we continue to see the moisture, and then during the overnight hours, we could see a changeover into wintry precipitation. Now, I really think it's going to be a decent mix of wintry precipitation with more of a rain-snow mix towards the coastline, no accumulation, and then maybe some light accumulation with a little more snow up towards Jackson County. And you'll see that as we move through Sunday morning, but then quickly by mid to late morning, it's all gone. Skies clear, the sun comes out, temperatures warm up. Anything that we saw isn't going to last very long. And other than like railings, I can't see much more than that. And again, that's mainly inland. Coastal areas could stay all rain. Hopeful for at least some flakes mixed in. High Saturday into the 60s. So again, very mild. It gets cold tonight. 30s, but still well above freezing. And then Sunday's highs into the 40s. So again, staying above freezing. And I don't think we're going to be able to counteract that with so much snow to cause accumulation. So you see precipitation, rain Saturday, wintry stuff, rain on Sunday, and then it dries out, sunshine. So there's our front, back side of it, stratiform precipitation. It starts to change over as we head into Sunday morning across our area, but still a cold rain east into the south. And eventually this changes over for a brief period before it moves out later on Sunday morning. Then after that, we see plenty of sunshine. It'll be cold, 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 cold on Monday morning. Then we start to slowly warm things up over the course of the week. By the end of the week, I think we'll be average to above average. So we're heading in the right direction there. So let's talk about the Barron model. That was the model I just showed you. You saw a lot of blue on the map, and you definitely see a decent amount of blue on the map, but it's all showing less than an inch of rainfall or snowfall. So it's, again, nothing that's going to truly accumulate to anything that would cause any problems, especially when you consider a lot of outlier factors, which is the sun coming back out, warm temperatures, road temperatures being warm. The chances of accumulating snowfall, 10 to 20%, less than that along the coastline. So in the big picture, it's not huge. Let's watch the road temperatures, product that we have here at Panhandle Weather. On Saturday, road temperatures up into the 60s and 70s. And then as we head into Saturday night, into Sunday morning, it drops down into the 40s. But again, notice we are way above freezing. So anything that falls is going to melt. Here's that 7-day forecast. Again, across northwest Florida, near the coastline, we'll see rain on Saturday, a little bit of a mix on Sunday, mainly rainfall. Inland areas, we'll see a little more of a wintry mix on Sunday. And then a warm up, look at that, by the end of next week, we're close to 70. We'll, of course, keep you posted throughout the day on the threat of maybe some wintry precipitation Sunday morning.